Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning for the week of March 3rd through the 9th. So we are officially in March. I don't even know when the time went. But yeah, let's go ahead and plan for this week. And I'm going to go ahead and share this with you guys. So I am going to be using a sticker book from Live Love Posh. It is lovely. It's called Spring Elements. It was released last year, and all of her stickers in here are simply adorable and lovely. You have spring cleaning and all this other stuff. But the first collection has spoken to me because on the 8th, it is International Women's Day. And this represents kind of spring and like, look at this little she shed. It's so cute. So I wanted to make sure that I can use this. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and do that and go from there. I am going to add this beautiful girl into this spread. Excuse my elbow patches. Like those are meant to be kind of rustic like this. But I don't know, like they don't look good on camera. I don't know why, but they don't. They're supposed to be like kind of torn and stuff. I don't know why, but they are. Okay, anyway. So boxes, let's put some boxes down. Let's put some checklists down and then let's start decorating this thing. But yeah, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. I do planning and decorating my planners, multiple of them, sharing different ways to plan. I also show you my planners after the pen. So yeah, that's kind of this whole channel. So if you stumbled upon here for the first time, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. So yeah, let's get back into the planning. As you can see, I'm using boxes from Live Love Posh. They are stunning. I love how thin the edges are. That is probably one of my favorite things about the boxes from here. The colors are not like bold or screaming, so that is kind of what we're gonna do here. And I love the pink and orange combo, especially pastel ones like this. It does kind of like say spring to me, and it makes me so happy, you guys. So we're going to continue putting all of these boxes in here until there's a box on every single day. And I do need the skinny mini boxes, like the tiny ones. Those are for me keeping track of my work hours. So when your salary, companies don't usually keep track of how much you work because, you know, you're supposed to work over 40 hours. Well, I try to stick to the 40-hour mark as much as possible. Obviously, my time is valuable, and I much rather spend it doing hobbies like this than working when like I'm not getting paid for it technically, right? So yeah, so there's that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of overlap these a little bit. They look very clustered, but I think once I write them, it's gonna make a lot of sense. At least it does in my brain. So I did different colors and the checklist from Live Love Posh, if you never had them, they're very skinny and I appreciate it so much. There's other sticker brands that I often have to cut them in half of or cut them down to make sure that they don't take like half of my box. Classic Planner is already pretty limited, right, in space. So I'm just trying to get the best out of what I can. So let's go ahead and start going. So I pulled up some pink ones and some orange checklists, and I'm gonna place them accordingly. And then if I need to, I will be cutting them down a little. So I will try to keep track of most of my to-do lists on the top. I do prefer writing on the top of the planner. Once it gets really chunky, it's really hard to write on the bottom, especially like the right side. So from Thursday to Sunday, I am right-handed. So for the left side, I often will take it out because the rings are in my way. However, for the right side, I will write on like while the planner is assembled. So it feels like my hand is sliding down, right? So I don't really particularly enjoy that concept of writing it that way. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down. I just have like a tiny X-Acto knife that is retractable, and I really love that one. It's an oldie but a goodie. I had it probably for like 7, maybe 8 years now, and it is quite awesome. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. So we're gonna add a pink, then an orange. Well, then I have orange, so then another pink and then orange. So Sunday will be orange, so let's place that. And then let's do pink on Saturday. But as you can see, I'm gonna have to cut that down. And I don't work on Saturdays typically, so I have a little bit more personal time to like do other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and like move that down. And then I'll have spaces for decorations. Yeah, there we go. So that is the functional part of the planner that is kind of done. So now we can fully decorate and enjoy the process. So I really, really like this. And like I said, the girl already speaks to me in volumes, right? It's International Women's Day. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Like all the flowers go on the bottom like so. We made a little like trail that she's walking on. So that's super cute. And then let's go ahead and use some of the other stickers. They're just so stunning. The designs and the thought behind them is just beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these tulips in a teacup over a box. It's gonna kind of look like it's growing out of that box, and that is great. That's exactly what I'm going for. Let's add like 3 of these little jars with flowers right there. Okay, let's keep looking for decorations because that is the most fun part of the process, at least for me. I don't know how it is for you guys, but I love when it's decorated and bright and beautiful, and I get to enjoy this part of planning. And I'm gonna do the big one on this side, I think. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. That one really, really stands out. It is gorgeous. I think this beautiful collection was meant for Easter, and I understand that, but I also am using it not for Easter, and that's how it's going to be. So at least in my house. So oh, I kind of don't like how that looks because it's a little crooked, and I'm gonna move it a little bit up higher. Okay, that's better. That's definitely better, at least in my eyes. Okay, and then there's a whole bunch of things in here that I want to use because they are just stunning, but I'm not gonna have room for everything. So now I'm gonna have to be a little bit more decisive. And I see the stunning floral eggs, I really do, but I know it's not Easter. I am going to put this, I think it's like a crystal with flowers in it. It is truly stunning. And then let's go ahead and put this journal with, is that hydrangea? What would you guys call it? It's not a hydrangea. I don't know. Is it lilac? I think it might be lilac. And look at this stunning lady. Like, look at all the flowers in her hair. It's just beautiful. And I want to use this really beautiful dome. It does have eggs, so I'm just gonna tell myself that it does symbolize spring and not Easter, okay? Because Easter is still quite far away. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then let's put a butterfly on top. There are, and then I found another crystal, so I wanted to include that. But yeah, I'm looking for small elements to include like florals and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put that butterfly on top of there, and then I have a couple smaller um, things that I want to include as well. So I have that second butterfly. I have these flowers that look like, I don't even know what they are, but they're beautiful. And they're like open tulips, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna like put them to interfere with the boxes and the checklist a little bit, and I'm gonna write around it or even on top of it. I don't know yet, but I think I am all done with the spread. Let me know what you think. I think it came out pretty well, and I can't wait to write in it, and then it will look even more different. So, you guys have a great day and a great week ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.